Actually happy that I came out victorious because this is actually the first time I'm entering that competition, alright? This is my home ground representing, so it's actually good that we was able to bring home something for the home grounds.
We still on the time trying to save the equipment from rearing. As you could see in the background, you could see the guys, but in the foreground has the trophies. Look at these trophies.
What your objectives?
This is why these fellas out here today. Chance to win this.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and
good boy, sing on. Right, come on. One. Sing. One. Good boy. One. Let's go. One. Good boy.
No roll.
Sing him again. Hold on. One. Sing him again.
Always a roll.
Good boy.
One.
Good boy. Sing him again. Come on.
Come again, right?
Sing him.
Sing man.
Sing him.
One.
Sing him, Baba. One. Good boy. Sing him. Sing him, boy. Sing him. One. Boy. Good. That's a good air. Attack now. Bite him. Sing him again. Yes. Sing him. Bite him. One. Bite him, I say. Again. One. Chico malo. Come again. Right there again. Come again.
Watch this.
One more minute. One. Come again. Come again. Come on, son, boy. Come on, son. One. Three more. Five on the ground. Three more. Come on. One.
So the guys organizing for the second round in the 5 feet, they just lining up the poles. Let me see how it goes, but man TT.
We are near nearby. Answer here. Are you ready? Temo, you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hang. Outside to
That's the start
outside.
of the 5 feet. Second round.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, and hang. Nice ball, stay in the ring. Before the rain come down, let's see.
So we have with Brandon, the winner, the 5 feet competition. Brandon, how you feel to be a winner this morning?
I'm actually very elated for the fact that I've won. I've entered the first 50, which he didn't sing, but I still let me try again for another category, which is the 5 feet, and I was indeed successful. Actually happy that I came out victorious because this is actually the first time I'm entering that competition. Alright, this is my home ground representing, so it's actually good that we was able to bring home something for the home ground.
Yeah, where you get the love and passion for birds from?
Well, first I started, my brother gave me a bird, and then the first bird I had was a tangle, and it's only when I, became much more knowledgeable about the bird game in terms of role and those things, that's when I decided to accelerate, and it was indeed a tremendous journey so far, and I look forward to upcoming competitions.
How you feel about having the competition here in your home ground?
It's actually good because this bird usually gives me a lot of trouble sometimes going into other grounds because I don't have the time to prepare to go other grounds. So it's actually good that the competition was here. It's only yesterday I found out about it, and I said that I would come and I would try my hand and see how it goes, and I'm happy that I was able to come out victorious in the 5 feet today.
Well, I just want to give you congratulations.
Well,
congratulations on the win, first time bird show winner here. You come out to the bird, make a massive number, going up against these senior guys. It says a lot about you and your bird as a bird man. Congrats again, Brandon.
Thanks.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, boy, good try there, Brandon, boy. Brandon, you missed that point back.
Right, fellas, the winners are the 5 feet. Brandon first place, Tony Dan second, and Muslim third. And sir, hard luck with that one, boy.